Okay, Sir Gab, pili ka ng isa, plus, minus, divide, multiply. Okay na, maraming salamat, makakabit na yung sa pwesto. And then the last one for this app is you, Sir Joseph. Sir, hawakan niyo na po ito. Sir Joseph, this time hindi kita pipilitin na pumindot ng 3 numero. You know why? Because it's up to you kung ilan ang gusto mo pindutin. Kung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or kahit ilang numbers. And after that, na mapindot mo yung mga numbers mo, pindutin mo na yung equal sign. Numbers muna and then equals. Go, sir.
5, 2, 6, 2, 4, 5, 5, 7.
Alright.
Yes.
Tama po ba?
Yes.
Ang 5 is May 26, 2024 ay ang inyong barangay Fiesta Day. At tayo ay nasa loob ngayon, Sir Joseph, at tayo ay nasa loob ng barangay 5, 5, 7,